Keep the book next to you and read, okay? Read correctly. Wages paid rupees 2000 for the erection of machinery was debited to wages account. Okay, wages paid for the erection of machinery. That is the journal entry. So what we should do? What is the correct entry? Okay, the correct entry, then the wrong entry, then the rectifying entry. Okay, so you have to write in short. Wages paid for the erection of machinery, it is a capital expenditure. Okay, it is an error of principle. Okay, that capital into revenue into capital, that type of error has been made. Okay, so wages paid for the erection of machinery, what is the entry? We should not enter in the wages account. Wages is expense. Okay, we should not write. Okay, here machinery account debtor, that is the correct entry. Okay, machinery debtor to cash, isn't it? Here what is the wrong entry they have made? They have debited to wages account. So wages account debtor to cash. Okay, to cash. Then now you see the both in both these entries the cash is credited, so no need of any problem for that credit one cash. Here wrong debit is given to wages, that one should be credited. What is the correct debit should be given? Machinery. So that is the rectifying entry. Understood? The credit is both cash, so cancel that one. The uh, correct debit is machinery, so write one. Machinery account debtor to, this is wrong debit, so we need to credit that wages, so to wages account. So this is the rectifying entry. Okay, if it affects two accounts we have to write the journal entry, rectifying entry. Okay, draw 5 columns and write. Okay, this entry we need to write. Machinery account debtor machinery account debtor to wages account. Then you have to write the narration also. Okay, wages paid for the erection, fully you write. Wages paid, don't, no need to write the amount. Okay, wages paid for the erection of machinery wrongly debited to wages account, wrongly debited to wages account, now rectified. Okay, now rectified. This should be the narration. Okay, what is the amount? 2000. Write in the amount column 2000. Understood, students? Then leave one line and this is A. Leave one line and write B. Okay, now you listen carefully. Here sales returns book was short totaled by rupees 1000. Here only one account is affected. Okay, so here we know how to do this one, isn't it? That the sales returns book. In the working column I will show. Sales returns book. This is A's calculation, then B. Sales return. It shows debit balance. Debit is short total less. So again we need to debit, isn't it? So sales returns account should be debited with rupees, isn't it? Sales returns account should be debited with rupees 1000. Okay, then C. Read the question. Goods purchased for rupees 200 was posted as 2000 to purchases account. Okay, here only one account only is affected. Which one? Goods purchased, that posted in the purchase account only. Okay, so it affects only one account. Here also we have to write the statement only. Now you see, you have to do the calculation for C. Okay, goods purchased for 200 only. Okay, was posted as 2002 purchases account. So the total that purchases shows which balance? Debit. Debit, we have written more, 1800 more, isn't it? Rupees 1800. 200 they have to post. Instead of 200 they have written 2000. So how much is more? 1800 is more. So we need to credit this amount. Purchases account should be credited with 1800. Then it will get tallied 200. Okay. So that is the statement we have to write. Purchases account should be credited with rupees 1800. Okay. Then D. The sales book was overcast. Again sales. Sales credit balance more. Credit is more. We need to debit. Okay. So sales account should be debited with rupees. Okay, you should write that amount 1500. Then cash paid to Mukil, which was debited to Akhil's account. Okay, here you see two mistake. One, that Mukil, instead of Mukil they have written in the Akhil's account, and amount also wrong. 2800 they have written 2000. Okay, both the mistake. One, amount also they are writing wrongly, and they are posting in the wrong account. Okay, wrong account, wrong amount. We have learnt, no, that cash paid to Mukil. What is the entry? Mukil's debtor to cash 2800, isn't it? Here it was debited to Akhil's account. Debited to Akhil's. Akhil's debtor to cash. Okay, so what we need to do here? Akhil's account, what we have to do? Credit, isn't it? In the rectifying entry, Mukil's only we have to debit, isn't it? So Mukil's debtor, we can write Mukil, we have to debit, isn't it? Debit to Akhil. Now we should check the amount also. Okay, Mukil, how much we have to write? Mukil should be debited with 2800, isn't it? Then Akhil's account must be cancelled, isn't it? Must be cancelled. That we have to, how much it is written? 2000. Okay, Akhil's we have to write 2000. Mukil's we need to debit 2000. So we can write, otherwise if it is after the preparation we can write the suspense account. Okay, that 800 is not tallying. Here debit 2800, here credit 2000. Okay, since the amount is different, we have to write as a statement. Okay, two statement we have to write. E. Mukil's account should be debited with rupees 2800. Okay, then Akhil's account should be credited You can make out or you get confused with this one. So listen carefully and do, but you have to write fully, okay? If I sit and write, I cannot complete the portion. That's why I am writing ditto, okay? Credited with rupees 2000, okay? Then next one, at the time of seventh one, the following errors were located at the time of preparing trial balance, rectify them. At the time of preparing means we have to treat as before the preparation of trial balance. Okay, before the preparation of trial balance. A personal expense of the proprietor 200 was debited to traveling expenses account. Here it affects two accounts, isn't it? So we have to take the working column. Okay, first one, yeah, okay. Personal expense of the proprietor. How we will write personal expense? It is drawings, isn't it? Drawings account debtor to cash. This is the correct entry. What is the wrong entry? Was debited to traveling expense account. Traveling expense debtor to cash. So cash, do not worry, isn't it? Then what is the rectifying entry? Drawing only should be the correct debit. So write drawings account debtor to traveling expense, because this is the wrong debit given, we need to credit. Okay, traveling expense. Okay, shall we write the rectifying entry? 7A. Okay, you should draw all the line for journal entries. Okay, for the journal entries, have you seen this one? Okay, the right entry, you have to draw all the line. Okay, for journal entry, date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Then you have to write, now put number A in the that column, date column, and write what should be, what is the rectifying entry? Drawings account debtor to traveling expense account. Okay, then you should write the narration. Personal expense of the proprietor is given in the, that spelling is given in the book. Okay, was wrongly debited. Was you should not write. Okay, wrongly debited to traveling expense account is now rectified. Amount 200. Okay, then B. Goods of rupees 400 purchased from Ramesh on credit was wrongly credited to Ganesh account. Okay, here also it affects two accounts. So what is the correct entry? Goods purchased from Ramesh on credit. So purchases debtor to Ramesh. What is the wrong? Wrongly credited to Ganesh account. So again the same purchase only they have written to Ganesh account, they have credited. So debit is no problem, isn't it? So what is the, what should be debited? The wrong credit. Wrong credit is Ganesh. So Ganesh account debtor to Ramesh account. Okay, that is what we should write. Ganesh account debtor debtor to Ramesh account. We have to write goods purchased from Ramesh wrongly credited to Ganesh account is now rectified. Okay, amount 400. Okay, then C. An amount of 500 paid as salaries to Madhi was debited to his personal account. Here also it affects two accounts, isn't it? So we will do the calculation. C. Amount 500 paid as salaries. If we pay salaries, what is the correct entry? Correct entry, wrong entry, rectifying entry. Salary debtor to cash. But what is wrong? Was debited to his personal account. Personal account is Madhi. Okay, so Madhi account debtor to cash. So, what should be debited? This correct. Okay, salary. Salary debtor to Madhi was wrongly debited. Now to rectify this one, we need to credit. So, Madhi's account should be credited. That is the rectifying entry. Okay, so what? Salary account debtor, Madhi's account. What? Salary is paid to Madhi wrongly debited to his account is now rectified. Okay, or you can put on comma, now rectified. Okay, amount 500. Then D. Amount of rupees 2700 paid for extension of the building was debited to repairs account. Okay, extension of the building, we would have written which one? That is capital expenditure, isn't it? So that building only we need to debit. Building account debtor to cash. But it was debited to repairs account. Wrong entry, repairs account debtor to cash. So cash no problem. So building only should be debited, isn't it? That is the correct debit. So building account debtor to, here we can write, isn't it? No need to write two times. So which one should be debited? Buildings account debtor to repairs account. That wrong debit. Okay, now you write amount paid for extension of building. You write fully. Okay, amount paid for extension of building wrongly debited to repairs account, now rectified. Okay, amount 2700. Now E. A credit sale of goods of rupees 700 on credit to Mekala was posted to Krishnan's account. Okay, so credit sale of goods to Mekala. What is the correct entry? Meghala account debtor to sales. sales, isn't it? It was posted to Krishnan's account. Instead of Meghala, they have done in the Krishnan's account. Sales, no problem. Sale only. So, debit, correct debit, Meghala, isn't it? So, Meghala's account debtor to, here Krishnan's account wrongly debited, we need to credit. So, Krishnan's account, right. Credit sale of sale to Meghala, wrongly posted to Krishnan's account, now rectified. Okay, rupees 700. Okay, we have completed 7 exercise. The remaining we will do that after the preparation. Okay, after the preparation of the trial balance we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you students.